My name is Patrick, and this right here is the Dell that needs a new screen. It's a Dell 1545. You can tell that this Dell has a high gloss screen, as you can see my reflection. Now the first thing you're going to do when you're going to take this first screen apart is, you see there's a hole here, 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 and here. There's little black tabs covering the screws. You just want to remove those, and I'll show you just like this. Just a little screw tab there, and you can see the screw right there. Alright, just remove those. Alright, as you can see, I have removed them all. All the little black tabs are right there on the table. Alright, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the screws. It's nice to have one of these handy dandy little screwdriver sets. As you can see, I still have some leftover screws from other computer. So, okay, I'm going to just pick the screwdriver and start taking those out. Alright, as you can see, all the screws are right there. Now, I want to point out that right here, there's magnetic force, so when you're unscrewing it, your screwdriver will like to stick right here, but it's not a big deal. It's not going to hurt anything. Alright, now we gotta remove the screen cover. Let's see if I can do this with just one hand. Let's see. Comes off pretty easily. Do have to do a little force, but it's all good. Alright, I'm gonna stop the recording so I can use both hands, but it's pretty simple. Okay, I've taken it all off. Now, one of the other things that you're gonna need to know is that the screen protector is like sticky here, so when you pull at the bottom, you're gonna definitely feel that it's stuck, but just give it a good pull and it'll come off pretty easily. Now the next thing you want to do is that you're going to see there's a screw here, there's an arrow next to it, and there's one on this side as well. And those are the ones that you want to get unscrew. But there's ones next to it right here, and one right here. There's really no need to take them off, so don't do that. Alright, so I'm going to just unscrew those, and we'll go on from there. Alright. They're all unscrewed, they're there, and now we can just take this and flip it down. Alright, so important thing to see is right here. This is going to show you the version, model of whatever of the screen itself. As you can see, maybe you can see it, but it's got the model number right here and it tells you what version. Those are important when you're picking what screen you want to get. And next part right here is this tab that you're gonna want to take off so that you can take the whole screen off. Alright, it's not very difficult to pull this off. It's just all sticky. Alright. Alright, I'm going to use both hands for this as well. Make life a little easier for myself. Oh, there we go. Alright, so you can see that just came off pretty easily. This slides in, slides out this way. So it takes that, and we're actually almost done with getting the screen finished. Then you can see on the side here, there's a screw here and a screw there, and those come off really easy. Again, just take the screwdriver. You have one metal piece on this side and one metal piece on this side. I'll show you what it looks like with them off, and I'll show you the whole screen separate. Alright? Okay, as you can see, you got these two little screws here. Got them off. These things come off like that. No big deal. Now the screen is actually completely separated. Well, once all the sticky stuff's off. Alright, there you go, last piece. And there, screen's all by its lonesome. Alright, this is the brand new screen that I had gotten, and I'll show you when you get your package that screen's going to just be in the box, wrapped up. Some stuff you need to take off of it, but nothing too difficult to deal with. Alright, see, it's in a protective plastic bag itself. It's going to have a screen cover right here. See, it's got the tape on. You're going to want to take that off, but that protects the screen. This was my broken screen. You might be able to see that right here, but there's that big mark right there. That's where it broke. But all you have to do now is, actually once you get your screen, is just got to put it back together. First thing you need to do is put these back on. Just flip the screen down just like it was before. And there we go. Put it there. And just get these on. I'll screw these on. And I'll show you how to get this back in. Alright. Alright. They've been screwed back in. No big deal. Alright. So gotta get this back together. You can see here. Just gotta keep that lifted up. And slides together just like that. And there's little metal straps that like lock it into place. It's really simple. Just make sure got it nice and tightly in there, and it all should be good. Alright, slide that down, and stuck here, and that is good to go. You can lift that screen right back up, and voila. Alright, I'm going to adjust that, and then we'll put the screw here, and the screw there, and then put the cover back on. But I'll do that cover with you. Alright, as you can see, put that screw back in, and that screw back in, and now just comes to this cover. It just snaps in. You kind of need two hands to do it properly, so I'm going to use both my hands to get it to snap in there right. Alright, it's all in there. Just make sure you push down good, make sure it's all snapped in. I'll hear it snap. So now I just have the screws here just to put back in, and then those little black tabs, and it should be good to go. Alright, there's these little black tabs just to cover up the screw tops. Let me do that, and then I'll show you that my laptop works again. Alright, she's all together. There we go. Moment of truth, so to speak. And there you have it. Just that simple. You can do it yourself. I hope this helped you. Get it all together and enjoy your laptop.